Okay, let's have a look inside one of these rooms on the Royal Princess. So this is an internal room which we've got. You just walk up to the door. You should recognise your medallion, but for some reason I seem to have to put my medallion against the pad. Let's go in. So I say this is an internal room, which obviously means no windows. But what it does have is, as soon as you walk in the door, is a large mirror. A really big area for hanging coats and clothes and all that sort of stuff. We've been in this room nearly for 2 weeks now, so we're just packing up to go home. So it's a little bit messy, but that's your area to keep everything. Light comes on automatically as you walk into this area. A little step up into the bathroom. In the bathroom, sink, soap, lotions. There's a shaving socket up on a wall. Okay, storage area, toilet, and a shower. And the shower is really hot actually. It looks like a steppy type area or seat type area in the shower. They're pretty standard everyday shower head. But I'd say the water's really hot, extraction's okay, so it's not bad. Okay, let's close up. So as I said, storage area, place to hang everything, life jackets, that sort of stuff. Then we open up more storage and a safe. So that's what we've been using. Spin round. Like I said, mirror. Then you go into the rain room itself. A little thermostat on the wall to adjust the temperature. A couple of bedside lights. Really, really comfy bed. Interesting thing, if I look down at the floor, if I walk towards this set of drawers in front of me, it didn't happen. The light didn't come on. There's a light underneath all of these. Maybe because I've got all the lights on, it won't come on. But there's a light that normally comes on when all the lights are switched off. So when it's pitch dark in here and you can't see anything, as soon as you get out of bed the light comes on. What have we got? So one TV, fridge. There's a fridge in here for those interested. You want to keep your water and that sort of stuff. Drawers, set of drawers here. Only 2 sockets, unfortunately. So we've got a socket here. We put the old travel adapter in it. So that's a 2-pin one. And next to it you'll see there's the American style one. So you've got European and American. And over this side, all you actually get is the American style socket. Little light switches for the lights. Mirror, chairs, bed, lights. And that's really about it. Not much else to say really. So as the room goes, it was okay. We spent most of the time actually out and about. Did we miss the balcony? Only this morning actually, I think. The boat was moving a little bit. It would have been nice just to have opened the curtains and look outside to see what was going on. Instead you could put the TV on, put the bridge cam on, you can look out that way. But ideal just for 2 people. If you're just going to get out and about, make most of the facilities on the boat itself, I don't think you really need a balcony, even though we've just gone around Alaska and everyone says you need a balcony. To be perfectly honest, when you get to the real beauty spots, everyone's up on deck. And then the ship turns around as well, so you don't need a balcony to see anything. You don't miss anything by not having a balcony. So yeah, that's an interior room from the Royal Princess. Hope you enjoyed it. So we've now now in the process of disembarking. So that's our 2 weeks on a Princess cruise. Hopefully I've pulled everything together, showing you what actually happens on a 2-week cruise of Alaska. It's now trying to disembark. So we had to wait in the Vista Lounge till 9:55. That's our time. It ranges over depending on how you're getting all the way to travelling to the airport, that sort of stuff, what time you get to leave the ship. But yeah, so now off we go. And now we're going to go find our luggage. The next stop will be a host town Vancouver for a couple of days, and a couple of exciting things planned in Vancouver as well. So stay up to date. You'll stay with us, should I say. And we'll show you some of the other things we get up to, including seaplanes, hopefully, and firework festivals. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, get a thumbs up, it'd be really help. 1500, that's my next target. And yeah, we'll see you later. Ta-ra. What's the other one look like?
What color are you guys looking for?
Gold.
Gold. Keep following. Exit.
Okay, so that's the cases collected and off to passport control. They ask you to fill in a declaration form on the boat. Make sure you bring it back with you. We didn't realise we were supposed to bring it with you, so we just had to go and fill one back in again. But yeah, okay, now to go find our hotel. And as you can see, everyone else is now turning up to get on the ship just as we're leaving. So getting off is turning into chaos. We're following 3 different instructions constantly, so basically you just have to ignore all the signs that say this way to the city, because they don't let you go that way. So we end up in underground coach parks, even though all we're trying to do is walk into town. Oh well, all good fun. So later on today we'll be floating around on the sea just up behind me for a huge international fireworks festival, and as it happens it's the UK that are competing tonight. Obviously each country has a different night. It's UK's tonight. So somewhere off that barge behind that black bomb, the Honda, is where the fireworks be fired from. So behind me they're still setting up. So yeah, tonight that's what I'll be filming from, somewhere out in that harbour, watching a huge firework display.